So remember, mic off, and we always want to, you can, just like in class when you're doing your songs or your dances or your alphabet songs or your shape songs, you can cheer. And we have our Beardsley cheer, and it goes, yeah. So even though we can't hear you, we can see you. And you can, after students announce, you can go, yeah, or you may clap. But it's very important just that your mic's off for now. So are you guys ready? Let me see a thumbs up if you're ready to get started. Awesome. I see lots of thumbs up. So we are going to start. We're going to go through all of the transitional kindergarten TK awards first. And the first award that we will be giving in language arts and math are the brilliant bees, abejas brillantes. So without further ado, we are going to get started. And this is for Maestra Martinez's class, la clase de Maestra Martinez. So, académicos sobresaliente en artes de lenguaje, abejas brillantes, our first student, Alfredo Herrera. Artes de lenguaje, Penelope Bishop. Artes de lenguaje, Chloe Sorensen. Artes de lenguaje, Dalia Palma. In matemáticas, Alfredo Herrera. In matemáticas, Penelope Bishop. And in matemáticas, Dalia Palma. For our awesome ants, hormigas increíbles. In language arts and math for Miss Maestra Martinez, we have in de lenguaje, and again, this area is hormigas increíbles, Alfonso Romero. De lenguaje, Isaac Medina. Artes de lenguaje, Gianna Ramirez Hernandez. Artes de lenguaje, Mackenzie Hewitt Reyes. Artes de lenguaje, Johnny Guillen Funes. Artes de lenguaje, Juan Reese. Artes de lenguaje, Joel Castaneda. In matemáticas, Melina Perez. Julius Doris. Isaac Medina. In matemáticas, sorry, I forgot to say in matemáticas. In matemáticas, Gianna Ramirez Hernandez. In matemáticas, Mackenzie Hewitt Reyes. In matemáticas, Johnny Guillen Funes. In matemáticas, Juan Reese. Y en matemáticas, Chloe Sorensen. Y en matemáticas, Natalie de Arcos. In matemáticas, Joel Castaneda. Continuing with Maestra Martinez, in our learning ladybugs, Catrinas Aprendedoras for language arts and math. Our Catrinas Aprendedoras in Artes de Lenguaje, Melina Perez. Julius Doris. Victoria Villa. En todavía Artes de Lenguaje, Natalie de Arcos. Y en matemáticas, Alfonso Romero. In matemáticas, Victoria Villa. Y let's give Miss Martinez, Senora Martinez, Miss Martinez's class a big round of applause. And we're going to move on. And don't worry, you'll get to say thank you later, but we're going to move on to our kindergarteners. We have the terrific turtles, Tortugas Taríficas. And the terrific turtles know 20 plus numbers. They can count to 60. They know 20 plus sounds and 25 sight words, and they are meeting or exceeding grade level. So for Maestra Kate, Emma Cornejo, Yesy Pineda, Diego Diaz, Ethan Carrillo, Ronaldo Rojas, Annabelle Enriquez, Atruye Sanchez, y for Maestra Neil, Benjamin Marquez, Ana Marie Banuelos, Adrian Luna, Eli Torres. And for Miss Cheer, Angelo Bendana, Justin Nico, Joshua Huerta Duenas, Sakura Lamecha, Sakura, Vidal Ramirez, Madison Hewitt. All right, and now for our kindergarten fabulous fish, peces fabulosos. These are students who know 15 or more numbers, counts to 50, knows 15 or more sounds and 20 or more sight words, and they are, yes, I will leave it there. That is what they are doing. Sorry, I was moving ahead. For Maestra Kate, Aurora Vargas, Isabella Vargas, Joel Gomez Gueva, Michaela Perez, Daniel Roman, Axel Lopez, Daphne Gonzalez. And for Miss Shear, we have Isaac Garcia Alvarado, Evelyn Gutierrez, Lorelei Gravitt, Sophia Lobbins, David Ochoa. All right, and now we have our kindergarten super seals. These students know 8 or more numbers, count to 20, know 8 or more sounds, and 8 or more sight words. We have from Maestra Kate, Angel Vasquez, Dylan Funes, David Gonzalez, Astrid Gonzalez, Bailey Ramirez, Aiden Rodriguez, Lucy Hernandez, Marcos Luna, Regina Arias, Adrian Avila, Josiah Kenny, and from Maestra Neil, Olivia Oroña, Andres Orozco. From Miss Shear, Jermaine Butune. Apologize, Butune. From Miss Shear, Anthony Labrie, Mason King, Joel Valise, Jonathan Heitman, Mia Garcia, Ethan Sanchez. Boys and girls, guess what? That is the end of our second trimester awards assembly. Can you give yourselves a big round of applause? I have to tell you, my favorite part was watching the little smiling faces and watching some grandmas cheer really loud. And I could almost hear you guys, even though you followed the rules. So I love seeing all your smiles when you received an award. I love seeing the teachers cheering you on. So guess what we get to do? And don't worry, you will get your certificates mailed to you. As a matter of fact, you might get them this weekend or today. So you should for sure should have them by Monday. So look in the mail for those, because you're going to get something in the mail just for you. Boys and girls, we always want to say thank you to our parents. We really want to say thank you to our teachers. They are working so hard, and all of the aides and the support staff that are supporting you every single day. You even might need to thank your grandma or your grandpa or your babysitter, but we're going to do it all at once, and you have to listen very carefully. Are you listening? It's going to get loud, parents and teachers and all of our staff, so beware. But on the count of 3, we're going to say thank you, and I'm going to let you take off your mic. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Hold on. On the count of 3, we're going to say thank you. But when I say off, we're going to turn them off. Okay, ready? Oh, no. I better be careful. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and off. Let's see how fast we do it. Oh my goodness, only a few more.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, wow, look at that. Look at how good you guys did turning off your mics. Wow. You guys are awesome. So be sure to thank your teacher today. Be sure to thank your parents today. And parents, thank you for all your continued support. We could not do this without all of us working together. So thank you. Remember, you will get the link later to share with family, and that you could hear your name over and over and over again, because that's exciting. You've worked really hard for these awards. So keep up the great work, boys and girls. Again, thank you to everyone who is staying committed to our kids. I couldn't do it without you. So have a great rest of your day. Your teachers already gave you directions as to what to do next. And make sure you have a safe weekend. Bye-bye.